Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the GOOLOO GP3000 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. The GOOLOO GP3000 12-volt portable car battery jump starter is a powerful, multifunctional tool designed to start vehicles with up to 9.0-liter gas or 7.0-liter diesel engines. It features 3 USB ports for charging devices, an ergonomic design, and a bright LED work light with multiple modes. With built-in super-safe technology, it ensures secure connections and includes heavy-duty jumper clamps, a wall charger, and a storage bag. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the GOOLOO GP3000 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, parts description, indicator, power switch, LED flashlight, quick charge output port, 5 volts or 2.1 ampere output port, in or out Type-C 15 watts, jumper cable socket, DC output 15 volts or 10 amperes. How to use. Connect the red clamp to positive and the black to negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on the clamp is on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Ensure 50 or above charge remains to start your car. Don't start a huge engine-sized car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug is not completely inserted to avoid the clamp melted. Don't start your car if the products are blown up. How to recharge. To charge the unit, use the included USB Type-C cable with a compatible wall charger. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.